In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete search history in Google Chrome. Before we start, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. What we're going to do, we'll clear the searches and sites stored on this browser. And if you've turned on Chrome Sync with your Google account, it may also remove that history from your other signed-in devices. Keep that in mind if you share a profile across multiple computers. Look to the top right of Chrome and click the three dots. This button opens the main menu that controls most browser settings. It's sometimes called the Customize and Control Chrome menu, and it's the quickest way to get where we need to go. From that menu, click Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's controls. We'll stay focused on privacy-related options so you can remove your search history safely without changing anything else. On the left side, choose Privacy and Security. This section contains tools that manage what Chrome remembers about your browsing. It's where you'll find the option to remove history, cookies, and cached files. Next, select Clear Browsing Data. A small window appears with two tabs, Basic and Advanced. If your goal is to remove your searches and visited pages, the Basic tab is usually all you need. At the top, pick a time range. Last hour is great for quick cleanups, but if you'd like to remove everything, choose All Time. Make sure browsing history is checked. This includes pages you visited and the search terms you typed into the address bar. You can leave cookies and cached files unchecked if you only want to delete history and keep your sign-ins and site preferences, or check them if you want a deeper clean. Just remember that removing cookies will sign you out of most websites. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Chrome will process for a moment. The longer the time range and the more you selected, the longer it can take, but it's usually quick. When it finishes, your recent searches and browsing history on this browser are gone. A couple of quick tips to finish. If you prefer not to save history in the future, consider using an incognito window for private sessions. It won't store browsing or search history locally. And if you use multiple profiles in Chrome, repeat these steps in the specific profile whose history you want to clear. That's it. You clicked the three dots, opened Settings, went to Privacy and Security, chose Clear Browsing Data, adjusted what to remove, and confirmed with Delete Data. Your Chrome search history is now clear.